Hello, everyone. We hope everyone is fine and healthy in this pandemic era. COVID 19 has surely damaged the world economy and so our business routines. But at the same time, this new normal of meeting all of you one virtually is enabling Raju Bauzano team to reach you out at one single click. So on behalf of Raju Bauzano team, we are indeed grateful for your presence and assure you that today you will surely have something to take away to make your operations more have something to take away to make your operations more energy efficient, more productive, and more in a much more sustainable way. We have a team of experts here. I would like to introduce the entire team to you. We have Mr. Clemente Bauzano from Bauzano and Figli, Italy. He is joining us from Italy. We have Mr. Sunil Jain, Executive Director from Raju Engineers Limited. He is joining us from Delhi. We have Mr. Sandeep Bua, General Manager, Raju Bauzano Extrusion Private Limited, and he is joining us from factory. We have Mr. Vishal Panchal from Raju Bauzano team, and he is joining us from Ahmedabad. So I'm sure that Vishal going to take you to the tour, and rest of the expert will help you understand the product in a more precise manner. Before we proceed further, let us set some of the ground rules to have the smooth interaction during the session. All participants will remain on the mute during the entire open house. Question and answer session will be taken at the end, and request everyone to post any specific question you have in the question and answer window. If you have any further question, even if the session gets over, you can reach out to us on www.rajubauzano.com and also get your register there. You can get yourself registered there, and you can also write directly to us on info@rajubauzano.com. Since this is the virtual open house, please excuse us if you experience any small glitches during the show, because there is a first time involvement of a technology and the manufacturing, and we are transmitting live. So there could be a chances and one more reason, Rajkot is flooded with the heavy rain. So we are trying to cope up and trying to give you the bestest experience you can ever have. But even if something goes wrong, please excuse us. Now, I would like to request Mr. Clemente Bauzano from Italy to share a few words on the subject. Over to Clemente.
Good afternoon, friends. Greetings from Italy. It is indeed a pleasure for me to welcome you and to join the Raju Bauzano team for the first virtual ever open house. I do hope that all of you are staying safe during these challenging times. We know that COVID has affected a lot of us, but we are still standing. The primary objective of this open house is to showcase the Raju Bauzano extrusion machines working in our factory in Rajkot. I'm confident that your time will be worth it to witness such leading-edge technology coming from the Raju Bauzano state. I would also like to compliment the Raju Bauzano team in India for putting together such an innovative event. Let me introduce to you my dear friend Sandeep Bua, the General Manager of Raju Bauzano. Sandeep has been with us ever since Raju Bauzano was formed and bring us the many years of experience. Yeah, over to you, my dear.
Thanks, Clemente. Good afternoon, everyone. Before we start talking about our core products, let me go back to 2010 when Raju Engineers Limited from India, pioneering in plastic extrusion machinery, and Bauzano and Figli, pioneering in twin screw technology, based in Italy and Brazil, joined hands to come together and form Raju Bauzano Extrusion Private Limited. Raju Bauzano Extrusion Private Limited is a joint venture company between two industry reputed leaders known for its technology and world-class manufacturing facility. We are serving the industry with wide product portfolio, starting from PVC pipe plant, CPVC pipe plant, HDPE pipe plant, drip irrigation, granulation line for soft PVC, rigid PVC, polyolefins, ABS, PC, WPC projects for profile and boards, PVC medical bag and tube. Raju Bauzano is committed to bringing world-class technology to the processor, especially when it is about product quality versus production cost. Today, we will be showcasing two of our most reputed trending products. One is UPVC and CPVC pipe plants with double exit downstream and granulation line. We welcome you once again and are grateful for your time. Let me introduce Vishal Panchal, who is based at Ahmedabad and looking after sales activities. Over to you, Vishal.
Thank you very much, Sandeep Bhai, for an introduction. Hello and good evening, everyone. I am Vishal Panchal, and I am your host today for this virtual open house. Indeed, it is the biggest advantage of such kind of platform that you are being at your own place. I am sitting in Ahmedabad, and we are together can visit our shop floor at Rajkot and can explore the new and innovative technologies coming in order to make your business more viable and more profitable. So let's go straight to the shop floor at Rajkot with help of my colleague Milan, who will take us through the live demo of both the machines. Thank you very much, Milan. So here you can see a very advanced, highly advantageous power pack machine for PVC pipe plant. And this machine model is a Floex RBMD 6630 with a dual exit die head of 63 mm. At present, we are running CPVC material. The running size is 3/4 inch. Screw diameter for this model is 66 mm and L/D ratio is 30:1. So let's understand the various features of this machine. And before moving further, I would like to take you to the most important features of this product. Raju Bauzano machines are equipped with world's most advanced and patented gearbox technology, which is called as multi-drive gearbox. Let's have a small animation video of this technology for better understanding of the advantage of the same. Before any explanation, I would like to tell you that Raju Bauzano can offer machine output range from 200 kgs per hour to 3.5 tons per hour. So when we talk about output range from 200 kgs per hour to 500 kgs per hour, there will be two motors mounted on the gearbox. And when the output range will be above 500 kgs per hour up to 3.5 tons per hour, there will be four motors mounted on the gearbox. Here on the screen, you can see that there is a four motors directly coupled on the gearbox. When it will be in operating mode, the torque will be equally distributed among all the four motors, and thus there will be a more power available on the screw. Also, the torsion effect on the command shaft will be completely eliminated, and that way the possible wear and tear will be reduced between the screws and the barrel. It will help this way to increase the service life of the critical components like screw and barrel. Also, it will give a very higher useful life of the gearbox itself compared to traditional one. And it is indeed a biggest advantage of this kind of gearbox. Also, the multi-drive technology gearbox will help us to reduce the power consumption, not less, but up to 40%, which is a perpetual saving in revenue expenditure, and it will ensure a quick payback time. And these are the really big advantage to offer for a Raju Bauzano machine. Next to that, we have another technology of screw thermocontrol unit. On the screen, you can see a part of screw thermocontrol unit where silicone oil will be passing throughout the screw tip and will give the excellent control for the melt. When the melt, this kind of screw thermocontrol unit feature is very essential when we talk about the critical and sensitive material like a PVC or a CPVC. And when it will give a better control to the melt, you can obviously run a wide range of formulation. Of course, when I say a big range of formulation, that means you can make an economic kind of recipe for your product and you can save a lot on the raw material cost. These are the biggest advantage we can achieve out of this kind of feature. Here we have seen two different technology. One is a multi-drive gearbox technology where we can save a big amount of power, electricity consumption. Also, this gearbox will help us to increase the service life of screw, barrel, and gearbox. Also, the another technology we have gone through is a screw thermocontrol unit where we can save a lot on a raw material cost. Moving further, this extruder 66 mm and 30 L/D ratio, the screws are designed with very advanced design and it can provide a much higher output with the optimized power consumption. This machine will be operated with the multifunctional touchscreen panel control. The screen will be movable so that operator can adjust it according to his convenience. Also, this screen is full of various kind of features, very useful and important features, like a processing graph where you can see a machine behavior with the kind of formulation you are running or the material are processing with this machine. We can always observe the behavior of the machine and can have a view on various kind of parameters. Also, we have a maintenance chart so that machine can give us audio visual alarm for various kind of important maintenance part like a oil change or a filter change or many other features. Also on the screen, one can see various parameters like a melt pressure, back pressure, and ampere of the motors. Milan, if you can show us a back pressure. This one, again, a unique feature of this machine that we can actually measure a back pressure which is coming on the gearbox through the screw so that we can have a control on the back pressure, or we can control the mechanism, the part of the machine, to provide them a better mechanical safety of important parts of the machine. Further, we can move on to the die. This die is for CPVC. The die size is 1/2 inch to 2 inch. This die is designed to produce, to get the optimized pressure for the CPVC material and to get the consistent production and achieve a finest quality of the pipe with better mechanical properties. We have provided a stainless steel make spiders so that the consistent performance can be ensured. Further, you can see a 2 individual working vacuum tank. These tanks are made out of stainless steel and these are totally independent workable so that operator can control both the side of pipe very easily. The arrangement of the spray nozzles are very efficient. It can provide a very good cooling to the product and it will help us to achieve a higher output from the machine. There will be a better space inside for the handling purpose. Next to that, we have a 2 independently workable hollow unit. Here you can see there is a 2 separate tracks so that both the side pipe can be operated separately. We can provide AC or a servo motor according to the application requirement. Next to that, we can see a 2 independently workable cutting unit. It is a sturdy and a high-speed cutting unit, and the smooth cutting surface will be ensured. At the back side, we have provided a dust collecting system so that a cutting unit as well as the shop floor will be completely dust free. There you can see a 2 separately workable tilting unit. Here we have seen a complete range, a complete line from Raju Bauzano. This machine is Floex RBMD 6630. This machine is designed for UPVC and CPVC pipe. When we run CPVC, the machine output will be 220 kgs per hour, and in case of UPVC, the machine output will be 325 kgs per hour. The power consumption of this line is 0.08 unit per kg, which is the lowest in the segment. And you can produce around 10 to 12 kgs of the material with just 1 unit. If you convert into the money, 1 kg can be produced as low as with just 56 paise also. We can provide a maximum output range for the pipe plant up to 2.2 tons per hour, and pipe diameter range is 15 mm to 1000 mm. So with this, let's move on to another state-of-the-art product of Raju Bauzano, which is Granulex. Granulex is our specific range of product to granulate the polymers like PVC, polyolefins, TPR, and many others. With this Granulex, we can provide the output range from 200 kgs per hour to 3.5 tons per hour. The machine showcasing here is the model Granulex RBMD 6630, where this machine is designed for soft PVC granules. Machine output will be 300 kgs per hour. It is a 66 mm parallel screw technology with L/D ratio of 30:1. As I said that we can offer the granulation line up to 3.5 tons per hour. The running line will be with power consumption of 0.08 unit per kg, and in bigger output machine, we have observed the power consumption as low as 0.05 unit per kg. Can we have a view of soft floor? Yes. We can see here a granulation line model, Granulex RBMD 6630. As I said earlier, that all Raju Bauzano machine will be equipped with world most advanced and patented gearbox technology, multi-drive. We have seen in the video that there was a 4 motors mounted on the gearbox. Here we can see a smaller output machine. It is a 300 kgs per hour output machine, and we can see a 2 motors mounted on the gearbox. There is a horizontal feeding system provided with the stainless steel hopper. According to the application requirement or the customer requirement, we can provide various kind of feeding system like a Kramer feeder, or we can give further feeding system with a volumetric or a gravimetric feeding system. The screws are dedicated and specially designed for each kind of application to utilize machine processing capability by ensuring maximum production rate with minimum production cost. As we mentioned earlier, that Raju Bauzano machines are designed to fulfill the demand of the time, to make the machine more and more cost efficient, and to make it truly value for money product. Next, there is a die head made out of special alloy, and it is a coat hanger type die head, so that it can be removed and opened very quickly and can reinstall easily to ensure the quick maintenance and quick restart as and when required. The granules will be cutting through the die face cutter. Here you can see a high-speed die face cutting unit, and the granules will be conveying through the conveying pipe to the cooling unit hopper. This pipe is a stainless steel made pipe, and it is a telescopic design, so that opening and operating can be very easy. You can see here a stainless steel make hopper. This hopper, cooling unit hopper, and the stainless steel pipe of the conveying can be water jacketed as and when required according to the application or for the machine production capacity. Granules will further pass through the vibrating sieves, and there is a set of blowers installed at the bottom of the cooling unit. It will blow air upside and provide further cooling to the granules. In this entire process, we have ensured that granules will not be in contact of water so that it will be 100% moisture free. At this point, we can see the granules. All the granules are absolutely stick free and in an even size. It is very important to be in an even size and stick free to get better result for further process of granules. So this is the complete package of the various features like a multi-drive gearbox, screw thermocontrol unit, a specially designed screws and die head, and the efficient cooling unit. And these all parts will play a very essential role to ensure a superior product quality, high production, low production cost, low maintenance, and will ensure to give payback as early, and it will make a machine a truly value for money. Milan, can we have a bird eye view? Since everyone is available with us on our shop floor with this virtual platform. I think it will be a good idea to have a bird eye view because at this moment, our trial room is flooded with various machines. On the first, you can see there is a WPC plant, which is a wood and plastic composite machine. It will produce a PVC or a WPC boards, and the application for the same is the furniture. Next to that, we have a drip irrigation line, which is a flat drip irrigation line, and it is a very high speed drip irrigation line for 150 meters per minute. The controls of this line will be servo control since it is a very high speed line. We have just supplied our HDPE pipeline, which is also very advantageous with a longer L/T ratio and the lower connected load or lower power consumption, we can say. Next to that, we have a higher output line for the PVC. Next to that, there is a UPVC and CPVC pipeline, which we have gone through. Here we can see a granulation line. We have just gone through that. And another granulation line, which is building up, which is a higher output line for 1000 kg per hour. So this is our trial room. And with this, I would like to thank you all for paying your kind attention.
On behalf of Raju Engineers and Raju Bozano, we are grateful to all of you for joining us for this first ever virtual open house. We are indeed delighted to host more than 200 participants, not only from India, but also from UK, all the way from US, Italy, Poland, Kenya, Nigeria, Singapore, Uganda, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, Qatar, UAE, Oman, and other parts of the world. Thanks for joining us in spite of the time differences. I do hope you found this interaction informative and meaningful. Thanks to our friend and partner, Clemento Bozano, whom we fondly call Guruji. Your overwhelming response is indeed encouraging, and we are motivated to use this platform to organize more such expositions to share new products, processing know-how, and market trends. We will soon come back to you about our next event and hope to meet you soon. Stay safe and stay healthy. Have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you very much and bye-bye.